Hello, once again, this is Casey Classic Cars, and today we have an absolutely stunning 2017 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport Convertible. They only made 2,046 of these in 2017, only 272 of which were black, such as this car. In addition to that, only 124 of the total number of Grand Sports made had the Kalahari colored convertible top. So this has some neat features that you're not going to see every day. This Grand Sport is fully loaded, coming with the 3LT package and over $18,000 in options, including the full carbon fiber exterior package and the carbon fiber interior upgrade, along with Napa leather seats and just a whole host of electronic and digital options, including the Grand Sport upgraded floor mats, the underhood insulation kit, the battery charger, and things of that nature. This car has only 6,501 original miles, and I want to just open the garage door real quick to show you the color of the carbon fiber kit, because it is black, but it does have kind of that metallic blue silver essence to it, kind of like black metallic paint, and you can see that. And so it's really beautiful and really cool. You can see it's got the beautiful 19 and 20s chrome wheel package. It's got brand new Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires all around. Let's see. And it is just in mint condition. The owner, look inside the wheels, it's not even dirty in there. The owner was an absolute fanatic in keeping this car clean. He has towels on everything, including the floor mats and everything else. It's just absolutely a beautiful car, and is for sale. I'll go ahead and just quickly open up here. You can see the beautiful peanut butter or Kalahari color, they call it. He's got the optional Grand Sport door sill inserts, and the Napa leather is in absolutely mint condition all over, including the driver's seat. Here's the towels on the Grand Sport mats. So I have to clean out the debris in there a little bit, but you can see it's absolutely gorgeous. There you go. Giving me some crap. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Here's the driver. So here we go. the camera, not the lights. Let's just do this real quick. This is also carbon fiber right here. It has that metallic look to it in the sun. Very, very beautiful. Cool lights. $6,500 original miles. There you go. So if you're interested in this gorgeous 2017 Corvette Grand Sport convertible, give us a call, 913-461-4890, and we'd be really grateful if you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more great videos of some of the best classic cars available anywhere, because I am Mr. Particular and don't offer anything to the public that isn't to my high levels of quality. Thank you very much.